to delete your Facebook account permanently. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, scroll down, click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, scroll down. You will find your information. There, click on Access and Control. Click on Delete Page, press on Continue. Select the reason, press on Continue at the bottom. If you want to download your information, you can download all your information. If not, press on Continue. Enter your password and press on Continue. And after you do that, your account will be deleted permanently. This is how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.